Hey, welcome back. Today I've got something truly special for you. We're going to make a powerful natural remedy that can help restore and support your joints. This simple recipe is packed with nutrients and is a real treasure trove of folk wisdom. Let's jump right in. You will need following to make this magnificent tincture meant for restoring the joints. Flax seeds, 4 tablespoons. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties that are great for joint pain and stiffness. Crushed walnuts, 100 grams. Walnuts are a fantastic source of antioxidants, which help protect your joints from damage and reduce inflammation. Willow bark, 3 tablespoons. Now this is an ancient remedy. It's often called nature's aspirin because of its powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Honey, 3 tablespoons. Not only does honey add a natural sweetness, but it also boosts your immune system and provides soothing properties for your body. Water, 1 liter. We'll need this to bring all the ingredients together and help extract the goodness from each one. Now let's start the preparation. Take your flax seeds, walnuts, and willow bark, and put them in a large glass jar. Pour boiling water over all the ingredients to help release their nutrients. Then add 3 tablespoons of honey for a touch of sweetness and healing properties. Stir everything together thoroughly. You want to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now seal the jar tightly and give it a good shake to mix it up completely. Once it's all mixed, leave the jar in a dark, cool place for 7 to 10 days. This time allows the ingredients to fully release their nutrients. Make sure to give the jar a shake every couple of days to keep the mixture well combined. After 7 to 10 days it's ready. You'll want to strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove any solids and keep the liquid. This liquid is where all the goodness is. Store this tincture in a cool, dark place at room temperature. Now for the most important part, using the tincture. You'll want to take a 1/4 cup of this powerful remedy in the morning, 30 minutes before your first meal. Doing this regularly will help you feel the benefits over time, and you'll start noticing improvements in your joints. Give this tincture a try and let me know how it works for you. Remember, natural remedies take time, so be patient and consistent. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips. In the next videos, I'll share more details about each of these ingredients and other amazing remedies for joint health. See you next time.